They call me Mr. Tibbs.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Secret12, and something just came into the mail. My inner piece looking kinda depressing in terms of the color. Like this. It's all in black. Ooh, nude color. Doesn't it add just a little bit of color now? So today I will have a movie date with my friend, and the bill is on her, by the way. Something is good. So we're gone.
Gue lumayan kaget kemarin pusbar. Bagus banget.
Oh iya.
Gue kaget sih. Emang lu pakai
Hi guys. So we are going for 2 movies in a row. Just now itu Batman, and after this we will watch Uncharted. Yes. Kim parah.
On his biggest screen.
I just really thought today is my sister's birthday, but apparently it's not. And I just suddenly forgot about the exact date of her birthday. And just to know, it's actually on the 27th of March. So now I'm thinking to recap and put all of my close friends and relatives and families' birthday on my calendar, because it's pretty hard for me to remember all of the birthday. I don't know, it's just hard for me. Safe. Oh. Berat juga.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranges from
Flash sugar sama es americano satu no sugar.
the last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, 'cause there I really miss the shade.
Mochi, nggak bisa ada yang ngalahin tuku. Kenapa? Kopi tuku yang bener-bener bisa buat gue paling melek sih emang. Kopinya mantap.
back again with Bakyal.
Terus?
Udah gitu dah.
Enak banget. Enggak kok gue emang ada.
Videoin ah.
Mana coba lihat fotonya?
Jimmy.
By the way, dari Lina.
Only have one meeting for the day, and tomorrow will be a weekend. Welcome weekend again. But just for a teaser, isn't it cute, guys?
Right, oke. Never mind, gue baru ingat salah satu banners itu dapat IPS checker ya. Ya. Oke.
Now it's 8 p.m. and I just accept a sudden hangout invitation from my colleagues. So, why not? So just for too much information from me, but this day, I don't know why, but this day is pretty boring. And there aren't any interesting for me to take vlog because I'm not doing anything. I'm always doing the same thing every day. So in conclusion right now, I don't have any content to pause for the next vlog. I'm just so mad because this is happening right now. So earthquake just happened right now, and I'm really freaking out because a month ago we just experienced one earthquake too. Just like maybe 5 minutes ago we experienced another one, and it just make you anxious when you live like in the 20th floor. You need to go down 20th floor to save yourself, so I really need to calm myself down right now. And me and my sisters like simultaneously go out from our bedrooms. We just like ask each other like, wait a minute, is it you or is it an earthquake? Like, no bitch, it's an earthquake. So that's the TMI for today. Hopefully it won't happen ever again. Please save yourself. So no, not an evacuation plan, no. I will go to Tasha's house to finish our project here and there. Terus kita tutup. So cute. Isn't it cute, guys? What do you think? Gemes kah? Yes, exactly. In a group assignment tuh, there's one yang kerja, there's one yang kayak cuma makan doang gitu. There's a Kim right there. Wow, looking good sih Sya ini kopinya. With cream gitu, asik.
Lensa mahal. Kita kan nyewa lensa sama dia.
Oh, terus
Transport.
Bayar.
Yo guys, currently it's 14:05. We've been here since 8 a.m. Baru kayak
Gue masih roll ya.
halfway. Stay tuned. Ini kamera kalau kita jatuhin ke lantai 1 sabi banget gak sih? Kayak pasti seru banget guys.
Done. I think I watched too many Instagram cooking hacks to finally decided to cook this for breakfast. But why not? Toast that shit. Oh, looking good. And the last part is sterilizing the lid too. So, as you guys might have already known, I have finally soft launched my small business that I have been working on with my friends since 3 or 4 months ago. And we are really happy to know that our pre-order for the soft launching is totally sold out within the first day. Where we actually opened it for around 5 days. So, however, to be totally honest with all of you guys, the behind story of us working together before like finally launch the product to the market is really a never-ending journey, but we are really glad at how it turns out, and we are really proud to finally release our product after that so long process of finding the right recipe, finding the right texture, another research of development that we almost did every day on the weekdays. Else is creating like various logos, branding, packaging design, so on and so forth. Like, yes, finally. But yeah, this is the final product. I'll be completely honest with you guys, I really love the taste of this flavor. Like, this one is really good, by the way. And of course, the texture too is really like, wow. So that's been our journey to finally realize our ideas, to finally really become a real end product. And I'm just so excited to continue our story and our journey, and I hope, like, yes, just wishing for the best.